On the whimsical floating island of Whimsy Drop, a mushroom-shaped house serves as the enchanting home to Luma and her grandmother. Luma, a young girl distinguished by her untamed silver hair, embodies the essence of youthful adventure amidst their cozy, simple life. The scene unfolds as a vibrant tableau of serene simplicity, where every detail whispers tales of comfort, love, and the thrill of boundless exploration. In Nana Nimbus' quaint home, a royal puffin's arrival signals a dire omen. The Starberries, source of Zephyrria's magic, have vanished. As the gravity of the crisis deepens, Nana Nimbus, weakened by age, realizes the impossible task before them, her spirit faltering. Amidst despair, Luma's eyes ignite with fierce determination as she boldly steps forward, cradling the ancient, feathered map that holds the key to Zephyria's salvation. In a moment of profound wisdom, Nana Nimbus imparts a cryptic message. Follow the glow of kindness, not just the stars. Dust motes dance in the sunlit air, as if Zephyria holds its breath, awaiting Luma's courageous quest. Luma arrives at the island of echo trees, where the rustling leaves whisper and repeat sounds, creating an atmosphere of playful mystery. Her gaze sweeps across the peculiar landscape, seeking answers about the elusive starberries amidst the rustling whispers. Mosswick appears, offering assistance with a whimsical condition. I can help you find the starberries, but only if you make me laugh. A playful deal is struck, blending humor and hope as Luma prepares to embark on a quest for laughter and starberries. Luma shares a lighthearted joke with the ancient echo trees, and their laughter reverberates through the serene island. As if responding to Luma's joy, a single, magical feather descends gracefully from the canopy. Mosswick retrieves the enchanted feather, a beacon of hope and guidance, and presents it to Luma. In a moment of profound direction, Mosswick declares, "This feather will guide you. Head towards the island of singing winds." On the mystical island of singing winds, a young girl named Luma listens intently to the whispering breeze. The wind carries a fragment of an ancient lullaby, hinting at a moon turtle hidden in a cave of floating crystals. Yet the melody remains incomplete. As the reveals that the wind only sings the full story when happy, Luma makes a decisive move. Luma raises her wind flute to her lips, ready to coax the complete melody from the hesitant breeze. Upon the mystical island of singing winds, the wind dances in harmony with Luma's enchanting melody. The delighted wind unveils the hidden entrance to a secret cave, concealed behind the shimmering veils of the rainbow waterfalls. Nature reveals its secrets as Luma's music resonates with the soul of the island, guiding her to the cave's entrance. Luma's arrival at Glimmerdrop Island unveils a mysterious cave, its entrance veiled by an ethereal mist. Guarding the cave's entrance, Drizzle, a cloud dragon with scales shimmering with moisture, emanates an aura of formidable grumpiness. Drizzle's booming voice shatters the island's tranquility with a stern declaration. "Halt. No one passes without a gift worthy of my magnificence." In the heart of a shimmering cave, floating crystals cast an otherworldly glow, where Luma beholds a moon turtle, its shell radiating gentle light. Upon its back rests a single starberry, a beacon of hope and renewal. Luma, with heartfelt sincerity, vows, "I promise to plant its seeds and help your kind flourish." In a moment of celestial grace, the turtle gives Luma the starberry. Then, in a breathtaking spectacle, the moon turtle transforms into stardust, fading into the cosmos. Luma, now entrusted with the starberry, embarks on her journey home to Zephyria aboard a starlight glider. Luma returns to Zephyria on a starlight glider,